Hi everyone. So today we are going to be working on something to help you find which SAE is going to work best for you, something that you're going to get the most out of, that you'll learn a lot from. There might be things out there that you don't even know you can do, so this will kind of help narrow it down, hopefully. And the way that we're going to do that is through this cool website called Explore SAE. They have this little toggle over here where you can click on this and it's going to ask you some questions, and then at the end it's going to tell you like your results. Like this is going to be your best option, this is something else you can look at, this is something else. It's kind of like one of those like goofy things where you find out like what kind of grilled cheese you are whenever you do those fun surveys on Facebook. So in order to do your Explore SAE, we need to make sure that your login works for theAET.com, which is right over here. Reminder, AET is what we use to keep track of your project. It stands for Agricultural Experience Tracker. And whenever you go to do it, the only thing that's going to be different is you will click on you will go to the website, scroll down to the bottom, and you have to make sure that you go to the full desktop version in order for it to look like this. And then once you do, it looks like this. And you go to theAET.com, you hit the login button at the top right here, and then you go to the student login. Now our chapter number is going to be the same, PA0206, and that will be the same for all 4 years. That doesn't change. And then your username and your password will be exactly the same. And it's going to be your first initial and your last name. So I made a fake account so that I could show you how to do this, called New Student. So, Mr. New Student here, his username and his password are capital N, capital S, lowercase, the rest of his last name. So like for me, it would be capital H, lowercase, the rest of my last name. So if I can type this in here, it will work. And when you log on, there you go. You're welcome to your student dashboard. So I'm in here as a student right now. They have no clue that I'm a teacher. I know. So now that I know that this works, I know that I can take and go over here, hit Explore Your SAE, and you are an AT user. So your username, remember New Student, and your password should be the same as long as you haven't changed it. Your chapter is PA0206. Now, if you get in here and you're like, I want to change my password because I don't want everybody to know my stuff, all you have to do is over here in your area, you go to profile and it'll let you change it. But I will go over this in a different recording so we can talk through all of that. So today is the Explore SAE part. So I put all my information in. Hit sign in. It's going to ask me for some more information. I'm going to hit save and continue, and then it's going to ask me all these questions, and then at the end it's going to go over what it thinks is going to be best for me. So I hope this helps. If you have any problems, please email me. There's this thing where if you have the first initial and last name of somebody else, it will take and put a number afterwards, but it doesn't tell you that. It comes through on my side, but I have to go through and change it or go in and fix it. So if you try to log in and you're sure that you use the capital letters and the lowercase letters properly, and it doesn't work, let me know and I will look from my teacher side and get you squared away. Okay, so make sure you email me.